Hi, today I would like to show you how to make this pattern. I like it. This time I actually bought acrylic. I usually don't like to buy acrylic, but sometimes I do. And let me show you what I made. I just wanted to start crocheting again. So I had my incense all over the place, and well, not all in order, so I just made this pattern here, a little pocket to put it into. It actually looks better. Hold on, let me also get the light. It actually looks better in this color, I thought. I had this left over from that little purse that I made in the car when I started crocheting. Hold on. And I had some of that acrylic left from that same one. Actually, yeah, I have that little purse. I have not finished it yet. So let me show you. I have not finished this from a long time ago. I have not, oops, I'm actually almost done doing it here. The buttonhole I'm making here, and a little purse. I'm gonna have to sew a button on it, and sew in all the threads, and then I can go, if I go to the beach or somewhere, I can put my keys in there. Can you see it? Silly me, I don't know, that camera's all over the place because of me today. So let me show you how to do the pattern. Actually, on this one I started with 101 stitches. You need to have them divided by 2, and then I did a turnaround stitch. We call it a stitch, a Luftmasche, a chain, a turnaround chain. Silly me. I guess I'm getting old. Silly me. So I made actually 101 chains, 1 for turning around. And I found the pattern in my German Handarbeitsbuch, and I had never made it before. So the first row I did all single crochet, like I've shown you before, and then you use, when you come to the end of the row, you make a chain to turn around, and then you turn it around, stitch into the very first stitch, and make a single crochet. I will show you soon. Since I already started with the pattern, I realized I had to crochet to the end of the row to show you. And I'll show you the yarn that I bought. I thought I'd get something bright colors, because actually I chose a different one, but it was like twice the price for exactly the same thing except a different color. So let me tell you something. Then I started this, and look for how long I had this color here till it finally turned a different green. Actually turned kind of almost like two different green. Can you see it? So let me show you. It's like you do the first row of single crochets, then make a chain, turn around and stitch into the very first stitch. Okay, let me show you close up. Here, let me show you again. I think it looks nice. Just think that this is the first row of single crochets, even though it's not. You make a chain, you turn around, and you see where the thread is in, right here in that. Don't stitch in that, but right underneath it, and make a single crochet. That will be your second row. The first row will be single crochets, and then you do the single crochet and 2 chains. 1, 2. You see where the thread is? Skip 2. Don't count on that one where the thread is in. Skip this one and that one. So you skip 2 and make a single crochet in here. Then you chain 2 and you skip 2. You see, I have the thread in this one. Then you skip this one and the second one and stitch into the third. You don't put the yarn over with the single crochet. Just stitch in, pull it out, and through. Then you make 2 chains. 1, 2, and you skip 2, stitch into the third, and you keep going. Make a single crochet till you get to the end of the row. You see? When you come to the end of the row, you should stitch, of course, into the last one. You should have 3 left, 2 you don't stitch into, and then you have 1 left. And make a single crochet, 1 chain for turnaround, and then again make a single crochet into that very first one right here. See? Right here. A single crochet. So now you have all these little holes from the 2 chains and the single crochets in between. So let me show you. Hold on just a second. Now you put 2 single crochets right here in this first hole, this first space. 1, 2, and you see this single crochet? Make a single crochet into here, then stitch into the next hole, 2 single crochet, and so on and so on, and then a single crochet into the single crochet, and 2 single crochet each time on each one of those spaces, till you come to the end of the row, and then a single crochet on top of a single crochet. Let me show you. Oops, I almost made a mistake. You never put the yarn over, you always just stitch in. That's what it looks like. I'll show you. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, just almost. I have to do 2 single crochet in that space, and then there should be 1 chain left, 1 stitch left to put your single crochet. So make another chain, a turnaround chain, and do exactly the same thing again when we started. You stitch into the first one, make 2 chains, skip 2, stitch into this one, you see, after the single crochet you chain 2, you skip, start counting here, not where the thread is in, 1, 2, you skip those and stitch into the third, and you keep going till the end of the row. So you just keep repeating it, and it looks nice, doesn't it? I like it. And if it doesn't line up right at the end, then you made a mistake somewhere. Let me show you the colors again. See the colors? Let me get some more light. You see? I hope you enjoyed another video from me today. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Till next time, goodbye.